Now I'm going to show you some of the improvements that I made in a second, but the first thing I want to point out is that when you look at Jack Jacker, you might see that something is missing. You'll notice that the free version had this little area here that was yellow, and it had text saying it was a free plugin provided by Brett Ratecki, and it had a link back to my blog. Well, that is removed in the Jack Jacker Gold version. And the reason it's removed is because Jack Jacker Gold comes with reseller rights included. Because this comes with reseller rights, there is no branding to me whatsoever inside of the plugin. As a matter of fact, if you go to the main dashboard here, where you could see the plugins that are listed, you'll notice that it doesn't even have me listed as the creator. You can see like my normal plugins will say by Brett Ratecki. This doesn't even have me listed as the creator of the plugin in the plugins dashboard. There is no mention of Brett Ratecki at all. All right, so let me head back over to the plugin and I'll show you some of the improvements that I made. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create New Jack button. And this is going to look really familiar to anybody who has used the free version of the Jack Jacker plugin. I'm going to go ahead and just enter my title here. I'm going to enter my URL to Jack, and I'm just going to use a Wikipedia article. Select my bar color, my bar text, and my text color. And I'm going to pick white, and I'll save that. All right, now let's go ahead over and look at that. And you can see here, this is basically Jack Jacker free. Now, there's nothing different here that I've shown you so far. This is the Jack Jacker free version. It pulls in Wikipedia. It makes it look like people are on Wikipedia. It will post as Wikipedia if I share it to the social networks, except for it has my bar and it has my call to action link above it. Now let me show you some of the changes in the Jack Jacker Gold version that are improvements on this free version. All right, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and edit that. And you're going to notice something here that says Jack Page Links. I have it set to no, and no is the default. I'm going to go ahead and change this over to yes. I'll click on Save Now. And now let me view the page and see how it's different. Okay, so it doesn't look any different at all. It looks exactly the same. It's a Wikipedia article, it's got my bar and my call to action text. However, what is different now is that every single link that is on the page is now actually my affiliate link. It's my target link. So any of these links that are anywhere here on this Wikipedia page, they're all pointing to where I want them to point to, and it will be just as if they had clicked my call to action bar. So now instead of them only going where I want them to go if they click the call to action bar, they go where I want them to go if they click any link anywhere on the page. All right, now I want to show you the other improvement that I made in the Jack Jacker Gold version. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that Jack again. And you can see a section here that says custom HTML. And what this is going to allow me to do is insert my own custom HTML into the Jacked page. Well, why would you want to do this? Well, I'm going to show you one use that I really like for the custom HTML option. Now, there have been a lot of pop-up and lead generation software products that have been released lately. In fact, I promoted a couple of them myself. Now, even if you don't have one of the recent ones or one of the ones that I promoted, the chances are you probably have one of them somewhere on your computer. This is a really good use for the custom HTML field. So I'm actually going to go over to one of the products that I own, which is Lead Monster. And I actually use this on my own blog as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the code for the pop-up that I'm generating with this particular software. I'm going to go back over to the Jack Jacker plugin. And I'm going to paste it right inside of the custom HTML section, and I'm going to click on Save Now. Now let's view the page this time. And now you can see my pop-up is actually showing over my Jacked page. So now I have a real lot of marketing going on here and a real lot of call to actions and links back to the target URL that I want. I have the pop-up that I created with the custom HTML section, and even if you don't use the particular software that I have for creating pop-ups, there are a ton of pop-up softwares out there. Like I said, the odds are you probably have one of them, and you don't actually have to just use that custom HTML section for pop-ups. You could use it for anything that you want to enter in there that you want to put over or inside of your Jack page. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and you can see now all of the links, because I have that Jack links option set to yes, all of the links inside of the page, every single one of these links are now pointing to my target URL. And of course, as normal, I have the call to action bar with my call to action text. So with the gold version, there are a lot more ways to get clicks from your Jacked pages. And as I said, it is completely unbranded. I am not mentioned in the gold version at all. And it comes with 100% free reseller rights. You can sell this plugin. In fact, I want you to sell the plugin. The only thing I asked is that you don't give it away for free.